Isang Pilipina po living in Germany kung ano ba ang posibilidad ng ma-impeach si Vice President Duterte. Siyempre taga Davao po ito, kakampi po nila Duterte. Sabi ko depende yan kung gaano karaming mabibiling boto ang sa Senado at Kongreso si BBM. So bilihan po yan. Well, sa kabila po nung kanilang mga alagad po ni BBM at ng mga Amerikano na pagtitira po kay Sara Duterte, mayroon pong survey ngayon, Oculum, although I don't know the Oculum group that well. Meron po silang survey na Duterte is the top contender on top. Malayong-malayo kay Raffy Tulfo na sumusumesegundo, sorry. Sumesegundo. Kailangan i-rehearse ko yung mga ganyang tongue twisters na yan. I can find kasi tabi ko naman yung mga statistics diyan. Ayun, nagawa naman po si Nicadjo Joshua. Anunsyo ng PDP laban, Oculum survey, VP Sara is top choice for president in 2028. Survey showed VP Duterte had 25.4% voter preference, and second, third choice had 18.5% and 10.6% voter preference. So napakalayo po ni Sara Duterte despite all the black propaganda against her. So it was a base of 1,200 na na-survey po nitong Oculum Research and Analytics. Okay, I'll move on. Ito na pala nakuha po ni Kadyoso yung Oculum percentage candidate Sara Duterte 42%, rank number 1. Raffy Tulfo 17%. Number 2, Leni Robredo number 10%. Number 3, Isko 4% lang, 4 to 6 ang rank. Amy Marcos 4%. Pacquiao 4%. Robin Padilla 2%. Martin Romualdez 0.4%. Well, more or less you can see the rankings na. Okay, I'll move on. Again, itong report din, I think it's the same report from GMA News naman online. VP Sara tops potential 2028 presidential bets in the second quarter polls. Impeach VP Sara move possible, sabi ng House leaders. Rumors of plans to impeach Duterte first circulated middle of last year following the allegedly irregular transfer of 125 million in confidential funds to the office of the Vice President without congressional authorization. I don't know what rule they're talking about, no, but anyway, they're just trying to create issues out of thin air. A prominent ally of the Duterte's former presidential spokesperson, Harry Roque, speculated that an impeachment move against the country's second top official could be in the works. Well, it's very clear it's already in the works. I received a question from our friend from Germany, isang Pilipina po living in Germany, kung ano ba ang posibilidad ng ma-impeach si Vice President Duterte. Siyempre taga Davao po ito, kakampi po nila Duterte. Sabi ko depende yan kung gaano karaming mabibiling boto ang sa Senado at Kongreso si BBM. So bilihan po yan. Kaya ako talagang dapat buwagin na po yung legislature po natin. Magkaroon ng cleansing po ng lipunan po natin at ng political system po natin bago tayo magkaroon ng eleksyon na matino naman talaga. No? Kasi puro korap po nabibili po lahat mong nandyan. Kaya po ang lakas ng loob na maglunsad nitong impeach VP Sara na wala namang katwiran, wala namang anumang issue na valido or valid, pero sa tingin nila kaya nilang binhin ang mayorya ng senador at mga kongresista. Ayan, sila lang naman ang magde-decide kung may impeachment o wala, not the issues.